Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, tapusin natin ang videos guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa 5 piso na new generation currency na error coin ay nagkakahalaga ng 10,000 hanggang 15,000 pesos. Tapusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito. The 5 piso NGC coin featuring Andres Bonifacio has been reported to exhibit various minting errors which are of interest to collectors. Notable errors include: number 1, misspelled name. Some coins have been found with Andres Bonifacio's name misspelled as Andres Bonifacio instead of the correct spelling. Number 2, die aversion errors. These coins result in missing or faint details on the coin's surface, affecting both the obverse and reverse side. Collectors value these error coins based on factors such as rarity, the prominence of the error, and overall coin condition. Some buyers have offered between 10,000 to 15,000 pesos for certain 5 piso error coins, indicating a significant premium over their face value. Yan guys ang napakagandang balita sa inyong mga hinahawakan na new generation currency na 5 piso coins na katulad nito. Coins ito ng Pilipinas guys. Maraming salamat sa panood at God bless sa ating lahat.